Breaking news from Thailand. A tragic accident has left at least 28 people dead after a construction crane collapsed onto a train.
The incident occurred while a passenger train was moving through the area. The heavy crane suddenly fell, striking several train cars. Emergency responders rushed to the scene within minutes. Rescue teams worked quickly to save lives and assist the injured. Authorities confirmed that at least 28 people lost their lives. Dozens more were injured in one of the deadliest railway accidents in recent years.